Hello everyone, we're here at Overlake Country Club in Medina, just outside Seattle, Washington. We've been here since beginning of December. Had a 1 week irrigation pond to do in Bellevue just before that. So here at Overlake, we have just a little bit bigger than a 1/4 acre settling pond. 2 culverts coming in from the city. We took out average of 5 feet of sand, sediment, debris, you name it, out of this pond. Pumped it underneath the fairway here and down to our bags. Over here in this pond, this had a 9-foot hole where all the sediment settled right before the outflow. So we dug, it's about 5 feet out of here. The channel rises to about 6 foot, took 3 feet out of there, bigger area. Took in 1.5 feet off the sides, 4 foot out of the trench at that end. Don't know if you can tell by the video, but these banks are completely destroyed by beavers. See a little run there, beaver mound here. There's a hole here. This is the side of the bank being chewed out. Right here, it's basically 4 and 5 feet straight down. The slope is gone. We got a turbidity screen. Keep what turbidity there is from our operation inside the work area. We got our operational area. We went out and got a little knockoff Eskimo ice shanty for guys to stay warm and dry. Surprisingly, it's not raining right now. Been here for just about 2 months, and this is the 3rd or 4th day it hasn't rained all day. Which, I mean, me and another guy have been here before, so we were expecting it. A little surprise for a new guy when he came out here and realized he gets out of the water and he can't get dry. We have this back little corner left to do. About 400 yards, should be done tomorrow. And we are out of here. Another beaver mound. And another beaver run. I get a video of the ducks in a minute, but usually there's 4 ducks right above the divers eating all the vegetation and bugs that float up from the bottom. Well, here they come. They had followed me to the other side. Must have thought I was going to feed them or something. But they're going to go right back over the guys and start feeding off the buffet. Right where the guys are at, we're sucking up 2 to 3 feet of material. And as we're sucking the material up, gases are being released, which causes vegetation and particles to float up to the surface. And that's what the ducks are feeding on right here. We have 3 90 by 150s. This one here with the big sand mound in it, that was from the settling pond. And these two over here, those are from the big pond. This one was 6.5 feet yesterday. It's down to 5.5. We are filling up the back one. That one will be filled in the next 2 hours. I'm going to swap back over to this one. And then that'll be it. For those two, we'll fill this one back up, pump that up to, with what's left, 4 or 5 feet, and that'll be the end of the job. The whole thing's wrapped in plastic. That's followed by a silt fence. Water comes out between the bags here, runs down to the tree. We got a couple core logs, and then the silt fence, and then we got a whole bunch of ducks playing in our decant water.